Okay, the next exercise that I given you was this one where I told you to draw it using a 2-point perspective and subsequently to render it. Actually, this test is a skill of approximation and proportions, but I've actually done it on Google SketchUp with the various dimensions, so hopefully that will help you. And I will just demonstrate question one by one. This is question 1, this is question 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, so I'll just do it quickly, one at a time. Okay, same method. I'm going to draw a quick one. Okay, 3 centimeters from the top. And the bottom, joining the two together. Okay, and then 3 centimeters down, and this is going to be 60. Okay, so left finishing point. Notice I didn't draw the vertical line because the block isn't, well, I'm going to draw a light one because the block isn't, the vertical line isn't there. So this is just a guide for me. Okay, and to the bottom. Right, then what I have is, this is actually 30. So, okay, this is up. Okay, bottom line. Now, what I have now is, I don't know the length of it. Okay, it's going to be 60, it's a square. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to visually mark out such that this looks like a square. Okay, to me. Right, so this looks like roughly a square, and I'm going to draw in the lines. Okay, and I'm going to draw this line because I need this line to be there physically. Same for the bottom. And this, which is this line here. Alright, now that I have the top, I know that this is 20, this is about half, so I'm going to draw a line down. This is about half, and this is about half of this. Okay, so now I use these lines to project. Okay, touching from here, and therefore I have a line, and I'm going to use this line to estimate the bottom part. There you go. So all the lines were made up. Okay, so I'm using my pen to darken it again. This time around, yeah, okay, I'll use my pen. Okay, so I have my final shape. Okay, now because I'm gonna say that the light is coming from the top right hand corner, so this will be level 1, 1, this will be 5, 5, and this will be 3, 3. So very quickly, I'm going to use my pen to shade. Top block first, bottom one. I have a few students who are just drawing lines, and that's not really right. You have to move the pen or pencil quickly to cross hatch the area so that you do have a nice little thing. Okay, so I'm going to do this side again. I'm cross-hatching in a different angle. So I'm just trying to draw lines very fast, okay, to fill up the area. Okay, many lines, light lines. Okay, but ultimately, because there are so many light lines, it creates a shade darker than the rest. Okay, so that's 2. I need to do 3. Okay, so now I'm drawing it, making it closer. Okay, this is layer 3. Same for this. Okay, because this is 5, I'm going to turn it around to make it easier for me to do the shading, okay, or rendering. So this is layer 4. Same for this is 4. And this is 5. Please take note that I'm doing it very fast, so that that's the purpose of rendering, is to create a quick artist impression, and so that yeah, so the work can be done quickly, and the client or the customer, end user, can see what you're trying to draw in the quickest possible time, right? If you're taking too much time and effort, this is what I got. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the marker here to just draw in, darken the lines. Okay, so I could use a ruler, but I'm just doing it freehand so that I want the thing to look fluid and fast. Okay, so that's why freehand is important. You need to learn how to draw using freehand. Okay, so I may want to just darken the bottom a little bit. Yeah, so it stands out a lot more from the background. Now, because like I say, the light is coming from here, so what's going to happen is there's going to be a little bit of shadow at the bottom. I'm going to use a roughly light throw out. It's going to be a light shadow around here. Okay, so I'm just going to maybe do this one a little bit this way, so there will be a shadow this way. Okay, so I'm going to just use my pencil, shape in the shadow quickly. Okay, so this is level 3 shadow, this is level 5. Okay, so there you go, quick rendering of example number 1.